We're going to start our video series by talking about the OWASP Top 10, which is a list of the most common vulnerabilities in web applications. This list is compiled every 4 years by the OWASP team using two sources of data. The first is actual security testing data submitted by volunteers and statistically analyzed to find the most common vulnerabilities. And this is a way of kind of looking back at the most common vulnerabilities that have been found. The second way items get onto the list is that the OWASP team uses the results of a survey, and this reflects sort of the future or up-and-coming vulnerabilities that are important to software teams. One of the things that's a little confusing about the OWASP Top 10 list is that it mixes up specific vulnerabilities and categories of vulnerabilities, just because it's trying to be sort of an all-encompassing list. For an analogy, think about if it were the OWASP Top 10 list of apples. It would include specific types of apples such as Snapdragon and Granny Smith, but it would also include broad categories like red apples or apples grown in Washington State. So that can be a little confusing. As we go through the list, we'll look at each item on the list and we'll talk about concrete examples so you can understand what the vulnerability is and what it means. Keep watching the CyRC video series to learn more.